In recent times, FPV or first-person view drones have become immensely popular, and they offer greater opportunities to capture your desired shots. And the Micro FPV drones are so compact that you can even fly them in very congested areas. You can also enjoy greater control over the footage you're capturing. Most importantly, you can modify your FPV drone by mounting any camera module on the front of the copter to get a quality view. In today's video, we have listed the top 5 best FPV RC drones that can let you experience an immersive flight in a first-person view. Starting your list with a rather beginner's drone, the BETAFPV Cetus Pro is perfect for those people who don't have any experience in flying an FPV drone, which is compact yet provides performance to give you a new experience. The Cetus Pro is a brushless quadcopter which is robust and powerful, allowing you to fly faster even while doing freestyle stunts. You can even enjoy the first-person view with the VR01 FPV goggles. This RC drone comes with 3 flight modes, which can satisfy the different needs of pilots and adapt to various flight environments. It also comes with an altitude hold feature, which makes this drone stay at a current height so that you can get more stable footage. Besides, the self-protection allows it to make an emergency landing when it loses control or low battery. With turtle mode, it can flip over from upside down and continues to fly. Equipped with a 450 mAh battery, the Cetus Pro can fly for up to 5 minutes, which is enough to learn flying step by step. Overall, for portability, self-protection, and a smooth flying experience, the BETAFPV Cetus Pro is a perfect one for beginners. Enjoy your freedom no matter where you go with the Parrot Anafi FPV, which ensures outstanding camera quality that is standard for aerial photos or videos. This drone comes with a 21-megapixel 4K camera, which provides you with vivid and high-quality footage. Besides, the white balance adjustment allows you to customize the color dominance for different lighting conditions. With Cockpit Glasses 3 goggles, you can plunge into the heart of the action of your aerial views. Moreover, the Anafi FPV delivers a maximum transmission distance of up to 4 km with the Parrot Sky Controller 3. It also comes with an arcade mode, which can make your flying easier than ever. Plus, the race mode can let you participate in drone races, and the photo mode allows you to frame photos precisely. For an immersive first-person view experience, the Anafi FPV offers a maximum flight time of up to 26 minutes. In general, for high-resolution footage, flight time, and features, the Parrot Anafi FPV is an ideal one for really amazing footage. The ProTek 35 comes with improved performance and reduced weight for a better flight experience, so that you can use it for a wide variety. This drone comes with a built-in Polar Vista digital HD system, which ensures high-quality footage even under low-light conditions. It also supports a universal GoPro mount, which allows you to equip a GoPro camera so that you can elevate your footage quality. This device is also portable and easy to disassemble, which means you can take it with you pretty easily. Equipped with Zing 2203.5 motor, it can produce more power to provide a maximum speed of up to 120 km per hour. With a smooth freestyle setting, you can fly this drone anywhere you want and capture creative footage effortlessly. Besides, low-resonance frame construction allows you to get more cinematic footage. Equipped with a 1550 mAh battery, this drone offers up to 10 minutes of flight time and up to 7 minutes with a GoPro on the top. All in all, for durability, compact design, and lightweight, the ProTek 35 is powerful enough to give you an exciting flight experience. The Emax Tinyhawk 2 is a small form-factor FPV camera drone which is designed for a stable and perfect flight experience without hurting your wallet. This drone features a Nano 2 FPV camera which delivers crisp colors, a wide dynamic range, and sharp optics. It also comes with an improved video transmitter to ensure you smoother video than ever. Besides, the adjustable camera mount gives you the ability to customize your preferred angle of flight. With 16,000 kV motors, the Tinyhawk 2 has 7% more power than its predecessor, which allows you to fly faster and do more freestyle. By bringing racing standards into the Tinyhawk 2, you can experience top-of-the-line performance. Equipped with a 450 mAh 1S HV battery, this drone can provide you with decent flight time to bring out the best user experience. Altogether, for improved transmission, durability, and performance, the Emax Tinyhawk 2 can be a perfect companion that money can buy. And finally, at number 1, we have our overall best FPV drone, the iFlight Nazgul 5V2. which comes in a top quality material, and motors to get you in the air much faster. The Nazgul 5V2 comes with a RaceCam R1 Mini, which lets you see everything clearly that your drone sees. It also features a 5mm arm design that is easily swappable if you break them accidentally. With carbon material and a 360-degree TPU guard, this drone is durable for FPV professional shoots. Besides, the camera mount gives you the ability to use it with other compact cameras. Equipped with Xing E2207 FPV racing motor, it can go faster than you think to enhance your flight experience. It also comes with an adjustable transmitter up to 800 megawatts to give you a smoother FPV view. This drone has a built-in TBS Crossfire Nano RX, so you can connect it to a TBS radio controller. With a 1300 mAh battery, you can fly this long enough to get your desired footage without worrying about the power backup. For the most part, the iFlight Nazgul 5V2 is undoubtedly the best one you can get for its compatibility, marvelous durability, and performance. So, that was all about the top 5 best FPV RC drone just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.